All right, if you're a chef and you like to cook a lot of meat, but you want to make sure it's well done, this is a device for you. Now, if you guys can see, there's no batteries in here. It's built-in batteries right now. We're going to charge it up. It comes with its own charger, type A to type C, a chart, a meat chart, right? And the actual tester. This is the actual part, the part that goes into the meat. So right now, we are, if you guys are cooking pork, it is essential to be well cooked. You don't want to get sick, so we're going to test it out, see how well this thing works. This is not washable, but this is. Now, there is a resting area here that goes in the back of it, and this is where you're going to store it, all right? Now, this is wireless, all right? So just to let you know, you don't need anything else. You're going to put that in here. We're going to test it out, see if our pork is ready. And to test it out, to make sure the pork is ready, there's options in here. Options, it gives you the instructions how to look for the options. Right now we're in Fahrenheit. We're at 71 right now, but you could change the audio, plus, minus, and you could from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now, if you want to know a chart and you don't know exactly how well to cook your meat, this is this. Beef, veal, turkey, and mutton. I don't know what the mutton is, but we have pork right here. On the pork, we're looking at, if you guys can see, on the pork, we're looking at 83 Celsius, 181 Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how well it works. I just flipped it right now. We're 150. So remember, 182 will be when it's well done. That's where we want it. I didn't go all the way through the oil because I don't want to make sure that it's getting the meat itself, all right? So right now we're 156. This thing's almost done, right? It's almost done. It's a great way. I just flipped them over. It's a great way to find out when it's ready to eat. Oh, there's oil already on it because I'm going to put it right here. You can put minus or plus alarms to set up your certain things in here. So if you want to hit a certain point, like a turkey, you set up your alarm in here. It will let you know. I like this thing. All right, you can hear it. It's beeping. This thing's ready to go. I like it a lot. This is very convenient. One of the best gifts you could give a chef out this holiday. Easy to use. I hope you enjoy your meals. All right, one thing that you're going to require if you want more information and more cooking tips is download the app. And it's very simple. Just download the app. We're going to open it up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and connect it, and we're going to enter the app. And let's go ahead and enter the app. And we're going to see if we can pair it, right? Right now it's going to look for it. And tap to pair. And we tapped it, and we connect it. Now, this is exactly what we see on our screen. I'm going to put it there. 71 Fahrenheit. So you can control here the temperatures. You can also get recipes and other stuff and include them in here, and a timer. And you can set that up remotely. You don't need to do it on the face itself, or you could do the app. Very simple. Great gift for those chefs around the corner for Christmas, other holidays, birthdays, and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.